Hey everyone, I'm Rob Franick. I'm editor-in-chief here at the Princeton Review, and today we are diving into one of the most important and urgent topics in higher education today, and that is college affordability. This week, we released our 21st annual report on best value colleges for 2025. I'm going to break down what this means, who topped the top of the ranking list, and how this list can help your family make one of the most financially smart college decisions. We're going to break this quick video up into 5 super simple sections so we can hammer out all this information. Number 1 is why all of this actually matters. We're going to talk a couple of numbers here. In our most recent version of our College Hopes and Worries survey, you have heard me mention the survey many times on these videos. It is a survey of nearly 10,000 college-bound students and their parents, and what they told us was 98% of that cohort said financial aid was going to be needed for them to pay for college. Out of that cohort of 98%, 77% of them said that that need was going to be very or extremely necessary. The most hopeful thing that we heard from that same group of college-bound students and their parents, 99% of them still believe that college is worth it. So that's the backdrop for this year's Best Value Colleges project. It is a list of 209 exceptional schools, 68 public, 141 private, and even 9 tuition-free schools that deliver not only exceptional academics, but also real return on your investment. Which leads me to section number 2, how we actually built this list. We built the ranking lists by analyzing 40 different data points, from academics to financial aid, to student debt, to graduation rates, to career services, to salaries. We pulled survey information from college administrators and current college students and alumni, including pay scale salary information for the 2024-2025 year. We go much more into detail in the link below into our full methodology. Please do check it out. Section 3. The rankings overall. Now, the top ranking in the project is best overall, best value colleges. And we broke that list into public schools and private schools. So here are the rankings, starting with the big one. Again, best value colleges overall. Number 1 on the public school list is Georgia Tech. Back in the number 1 spot, deservedly so. On the private school side of the list, number 1 private for best value colleges is Princeton University. Now, across the top 50 public schools, of which Georgia Tech is number 1 on the list, the median starting salary for those students is a little over $74,000. Mid-year, mid-career rankings, or mid-career earnings, I should say, are $133,000. Now, at the top of the 50 private schools, starting salaries are at $86,500 starting salaries, and mid-career salaries are at a whopping $157,000. Moving on to our best financial aid list. Again, this is one of the lists that we highlight in Best Value Colleges. We are looking, again, at the biggest bang for your academic and financial buck in these packages. Here are the top rated schools for financial aid. We're going to start with the top 5 on the private school list. I'm going to name each of the top 5, and then I'm going to give you the average need-based aid, free money that you don't have to pay back for each of these schools. You're going to want to listen to this part. Williams College, of course, Williamstown, Massachusetts. Need-based aid on average, $74,113. Number 2 on my list, Caltech, $71,378. Yale University, you've heard of it, $69,164. Again, free money that you don't have to pay back. Reed College in Washington State, $50,413. And Pomona College, one of the 5 Claremont colleges, $67,027. Again, that's only the top 5. You can find out all the ranking lists in the info card below. We're going to move to the other side of the list, top 5 public scholarships. Now, for this one, I'm going to highlight just the out-of-pocket cost, typical out-of-pocket cost once you matriculate as a student. Number 1 on the list, and again, deservedly so, University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, out-of-pocket cost on average, ready, $4,213. Number 2 on the list, New College of Florida, out-of-pocket cost, $3,788. University of Michigan, the flagship, $7,316. University of Virginia, $13,080, and we're going to round out the top 5 list with Truman State University at $12,187. Now, those sticker costs are slashed sometimes 80% over what you would see just as advertised as their sticker costs. And this is thanks to robust need-based aid given out by those schools. This takes me to my 5th and final section, just final takeaways for you guys. Now, you've heard me talk about this before, but my message to college-bound students and their families everywhere across the planet is super simple. Value matters. And our Best Value Colleges project for 2025, the list itself helps surface schools that deliver not only excellence, but also affordability. You will find top-ranked colleges for career placement, internships, alumni network, even a ranking list for students that demonstrate no financial need. You can check out the full list on princetonreview.com, which is our website. Let us help you find not only a best fit school, but a best value school as well. This is Rob Franek. I'm editor-in-chief here at the Princeton Review. Again, it's a pleasure to see you always. Till the next time, where we tackle the college landscape, be well.